Okay, more about pfSense. I should say that pfSense enhances network security through features such as stateful packet filtering, VPN support, and IDS, IPS, and traffic shaping to prioritize or limit specific types of traffic. And about the requirements, which is very important to consider, is that pfSense can run on a variety of hardware, including dedicated hardware appliances, virtual machines, and standard hardware with minimal requirements. If you have at least just one virtual CPU or CPU and at least 1 GB of RAM, we can obviously install it and configure it. But when we have traffic and pfSense, okay, when we have traffic, obviously we should consider to have more resources, okay, to handle the traffic. And about pfSense, pfSense can be configured and administered through a user-friendly web interface. You shouldn't be worried about how to, for instance, configure it with commands and like that. It's so simple with a web browser. You can obviously connect to your pfSense firewall and configure it, and it's so simple, okay, to have configurations for VPN connections, IPsec configurations, DHCP, DNS configurations, routing, and firewall capabilities that we have. And pfSense is highly scalable, and we know that obviously if you are working in a small network or in a large enterprise network, you obviously can have different configurations, okay. And about support, I should say that pfSense benefits from large and active community, providing extensive online documentation. If you just search on the internet for a specific topic, if you're going, imagine that you're going to configure VPN services, IPsec services, okay, if you're going to have a sort of NAT configuration, okay, or if you're going to have routing, for instance, okay, any type of firewall rules you're going to configure. So if you just search on the internet, obviously you will see how to you will see the examples and how to configure it, but we will see it's so simple. And pfSense provides regular software updates and security patches to address vulnerabilities and improve performance, and administrators can easily install updates through the web interface that we have, ensuring that pfSense installations remain secure and update. And I should say that pfSense can be integrated with other obviously network security solutions. If you are worried about that, you should know that it is compatible and can be integrated with other network security solutions such as IDS, IPS, antivirus software, content filtering solutions, and centralized authentication systems, which is important sometimes, like Active Directory, LDAP, and more services that we have for security and management capabilities.